Okay, so here's the issue. This is my Asus VivoBook 16X. It comes with an RTX 3050, an i5 Intel Core, and also 16 gigs of RAM, and along with a 512 gigs of storage, which is pretty mid. My laptop runs Cyberpunk 2077 just fine, but I want more. But here's the issue of me wanting more. I make approximately $100 worth of disposable income. So you might be asking, is it possible to spend less than 200 ringgit to get a full gaming setup? The answer is yes, but I'm not gonna do that. I want a high quality And this month I spent around 120 ringgit or in $30. So let's see what I got. Okay, first things first, this cheap ass laptop stand. This costs around 4 ringgit without the shipping costs, but hey, it works. Next item on our list is this gaming mouse. You guys might be wondering, hey, didn't I see you having this mouse on the start of the video? Yeah, this isn't really my mouse. This is actually my company's mouse. I'm only borrowing it for a bit. So yeah, I don't actually have my own mouse. This would be my own gaming mouse. It's priced around 16 ringgit, so that's approximately around $4. And now we get the most expensive thing in our list today. This is the 8BitDo 2C Ultimate Controller wireless version. And this is the limited edition Sun Wukong controller. But you might be asking, okay, isn't the starting price of this for the normal version is only like 70 ringgit or something? And the one you're holding right now is around 110 ringgit. 110. I bought it around 110 excluding the discount. With the discount it's around 90 ringgit. Why did I buy this? Look at my table. Do you see anything? Do you see anything colorful on my table? My aesthetic that I'm going for is black. And I'm sticking to that aesthetic. I want something that is supported long term, has good build quality, and let's say I want something from a trusted brand, because before this is my previous controller. This is the INE Starfield Edition controller. I bought this for around 130. And fun fact, this is no longer supported. The reason I'm not going to use this anymore is because I accidentally changed the D-pad with the joystick. So the controls are a bit weird when I play Cyberpunk. I need to use this, Control V. This is not going to work. And they used to support this on their app, but not anymore. So I can't change the settings on this thing. There's literally no option left for me to change the layout. Okay, so this is 1 week after I use all my bought products. The mouse, I say for 15 ringgit, I'd say it's I don't expect more or less, not gonna lie. It goes fine, it runs fine, but when it runs out of battery, it doesn't give any warning, and it runs out of battery after like 6 hours of use. I mean, you can extend the usage by just plugging it in, for like using USB-C to USB or USB-C to. But I say for the price, 15 ringgit, it's pretty worth the price. The stand, as you can see, the stand, I've used it for the opening of the video as well. So yeah, that's how good it is. For 4 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, 4 or 5? I forgot. So for 4 or 5 ringgit, the stand, I say it's pretty much worth it. It's made of plastic and it can hold my laptop up, allowing the vents on the other side to cool the laptop down faster. Thus, helps the performance of the laptop go up higher. So yeah, for 5 ringgit for this little stand here, I say definitely worth it. Okay. And then last but not least, the most expensive of the bunch, a 16 ringgit mouse and a 5 ringgit laptop stand. And then suddenly I'm just gonna review a goddamn controller. Technically this video should just be about a controller. I'll make another one about that. You know what? Yeah, it has Hall effects, very clicky buttons. I mean, if you love clicky buttons, this is for you. You also have programmable buttons in the back, like this here. This can be programmed, and yeah, experience-wise, the vibrations, the weight, it doesn't feel cheap. It has some weight to it. This, for around, with Shopee discounts, I got this for around 90 ringgit. The original price is 110, so I see this is really nice for the price. You can actually get a cheaper model of this, actually the original model, for around 70 to 60 ringgit. I'll help list one of the nicer prices and link in my bio. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, or you guys are interested in trying the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller, you can get it. This can connect to your Android phone, your PC. So it's not just limited to your PC. It's a very good price for a very good product. So this is what I bought for now. I might buy more in the future. And if you guys are interested in these kind of contents, please do follow me. I'm still trying to figure out what this channel is all about. But don't worry. I'll figure it out. But stay tuned for some dumbass videos. Cheers.